Hi guys, welcome to the auto shop. The auto shop will send it to you today. A video using the device SK Tool 3.0 used to add keys when all keys are lost for SCU 21 pins, for example PCX, Forza, ADV, from 2021 to 2025. First, we'll need to prepare a new key, not registered with SCU, and we'll turn the key on. Next, we will connect the smart key cable to the SCU. And we'll connect it to the SK Tool 3.0 device. Here we'll need to check. See if the modes here are correct. I want more keys here. I'll turn this on. And other work will be off like this work. We'll put the new key near the SCU and turn it on. Next, we will power the SK Tool 3.0 device. You will need a key ID to enter it. I read the key ID code in the SCU. Hey, raw and right raw here. First, we'll press and hold the wake button. When the LED Smart K. In the morning, we will enter the first code. Is code 0, I won't enter. Next is code 1. When the LED Smart K, we will enter the next code. Next is code 1. Next is code 9. Next is code 9. Next is code 8. Next is code 2. Next is code 1. And the last code is code 0, so we're not going to enter it. When the solenoid valve lights up, we'll press the start button. And the flashing key added the key to success. We're going to turn off the lock. And turn off the add key mode. We'll check the synchrony. We hit find the car. And the whistle was ringing and the light was shining, so we've added the key to success. Thank you for watching the video. Hi, see you later.